Astronomers first observed Olympus Mons from Earth in late 19th century as a bright spot they named Nix Olympica. The Mariner 9 spacecraft confirmed in 1971 the Nix Olympica was indeed a massive volcano, and it was subsequently renamed Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons has been studied extensively by various Mars missions, including Mariner 9, Viking Orbiter, Mars Global Surveyor, Mars Odyssey, Mars Express, and Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter missions. Research on Olympus Mons has provided insights into the geology and volcanic process of Mars, its climate, history, and even the potential for past and present microbial life. The study of two impact craters near the summit of Olympus Mons, Arzog and Pangpok, has shed light on creating process on Mars, the properties of the volcanic terrain. These craters are suspected to be the source of some Martian meteoroids found on the Earth. Thank you, my viewers.